Hi everybody, welcome to Nats Revive and Ride. I'm Natalia.
I'm Natalie.
And so what we're going to be doing with this channel is just like fixing up some cars so we can, well specifically for this one, so we can learn how to drive stick and so we can learn how to drift and do all that fun stuff. But it doesn't run currently, so we're fixing it at the moment. So
this is a BMW 325i, in case anyone didn't know. 5-speed.
So yeah, so we're just gonna start by taking the sparks plugs out. We already bought some new ones, so we're just gonna replace them.
And we have our dad on the other side of the camera. He is helping us because we are not professionals. We're learning as we go. So this channel is just, we're all just gonna learn together. That's what this channel is.
Oh my gosh, how is this?
See what I mean? I'm saying.
Oh my god, I'll take this off.
Well, wait, I can't, hold up.
I took it backwards.
I don't know where this went.
Just put them all up there.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.